Christian. Hi.
Jordan.
Nice to meet you. Just take a look. Hey. Let's see here.
Subtle scratch.
Hi.
We're so happy you're here.
Let's take a look here. Okay, alrighty. I'll get started here. Alrighty.
Yes, dude. I have one in my van. Yeah?
Think that unlock it. Nope. Hold on.
Whatever, just steal it.
Come on. Let's see here. Going through the driver's side door here. Yeah, sorry about the wait. With these, you have to pull the handle. For some reason, it wasn't working on the other side. So let me put some tools away and then we'll handle payment, okay?
Okay.